Hello and welcome to this week's Science with Stephanie. This week we're going to be making our own drought-friendly bottle rockets just in time for the 4th of July. To do this experiment you need 3 things. That is it. First you will need some water, then you will need some antacid tablets, and then last but certainly not least is going to be our film canisters. The film canisters are going to be acting as our bottle rockets. So to do this it's very, very simple. Take one of these, take the lid off, then take your water, fill it about halfway full with water. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and then you'll take your antacid tablet, and you're going to want to break it up into smaller pieces. You don't want it too big here because, well, our canister is not that big. So we break it up probably into quarters here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this small piece of antacid tablet and put it into our film canister. Now this part though we have to be really, really quick on, because what we're going to do is we're going to put this into the film canister and then put the cap on, flip it over. The antacid tablet is creating a lot of air bubbles in the water, and those air bubbles take up more space than the water does, and so as the container gets fuller and fuller, it pops off. And so that's what's happening. You can do these 100 times at home, and it's a much better way to celebrate the 4th of July than to shoot off those fireworks, because right now we are under high fire danger. Thanks so much for joining me with this week's Science with Stephanie. If you want to rewatch this, you can go to my Facebook page, Meteorologist Stephanie Waldrop, and as always, if you do this, make sure to take photos and share them with me. See you next week.